I'd like you to bring your hands on to your belly, widening your stance to wherever you feel most comfortable right now. And I'd like you to use a little bit of movement, maybe some time to connect with your baby whilst you move. Perhaps rocking or swaying your hips from side to side. Maybe circling your hips in those lovely big hip circles. It doesn't matter which direction, it doesn't matter how fast or slow, just using the movement that makes you feel good right now. This is an amazing movement to be using now in pregnancy, helping to release the uterus ligaments, but also really amazing to use when you go into labour. It's an amazing labour movement. As you rotate those hips round, you're rolling your baby's head over and over on the cervix, boosting all that amazing oxytocin, making every contraction as productive and as effective as it can possibly be.